All right. Shalom Aleichem on our voice side. North Miami Beach. Reb Shaya Tzaddik.
I'm not a tzaddik, but
Every Yid is a big tzaddik. You know that song?
yes.
That's it. That's the motto. Especially in North Miami Beach, you feel like a tzaddik.
Thank you.
Yeah, you come into a Kal Hasidim, everybody feels like everybody's friend.
That is true.
There's no levels, there's no ups and downs. By the way, is it a problem to pass red lights here?
What do you mean? Of course, you can't pass a red light anywhere.
No, do you get like flashes or just
Yeah, this particular one, I don't think has a camera, but
Okay, that's what I was asking.
there's
We're
cameras all over
Brooklynians.
There's cameras all
Yeah,
over.
there's a lot of cameras.
Yeah.
Okay, so what are we here to do?
Well, this is the first time since you're back. You've been here I
2
think,
years. It's been too long.
22 months to be exact.
Psh,
And last time you were here, you stayed at a house.
The Adina Villa.
Right, that was the only house that didn't have a pool, and now you're staying there again, and you can see what we took care of.
We're gonna show you soon. There's a beautiful pool there.
And in general, it's your second time here. You're gonna follow up, talk about whatever you see in the neighborhood, and today, right now, we're gonna just go take a look at a few different houses that.
Yeah, in the meantime, get a kick of the view. Get a kick. This canal.
As you can see, we're driving through the neighborhood,
Yeah.
and you can see most of the houses are well kept, all in good condition. There's plenty of new houses that are going up. Beautiful home right here in the corner, right on your right side.
This thing.
And this is right on the water.
Gewaldig.
Just taking a slight detour in the neighborhood, and we're gonna go now to a house. What are we gonna do? That the incoming guest wants me to tell him which Svurim are in the house, so he doesn't have to bring along Svurim. So I'm going to take a video of the Svurim shank and show it to him.
So that's part of the service
That's
you do.
part of the service that we do.
Very nice. So you like a personal butler?
Concierge.
Concierge.
Yes. Concierge, butler.
Okay, so
cook.
that I need to say on status as well. This is not a status. This is like a small video that we can edit later. This is more professional camera.
Okay, so that's the first stop. We're going to a house to check the house because somebody checked out yesterday.
Yeah.
And there's some work that's being done in the house. Plus the incoming guest.
When is the incoming guest?
And I'm gonna show it to you on my phone, so you can see that I didn't make up any stories.
Yeah, that I need to do in status.
Read the last text.
Okay, what does it say? Shai, good morning. Do you know which Foreign Palms Villa has? Also, when do I get access instructions? Coming Sunday, me Hashem. So, Shai is basically Azoi via concierge. Ich habe gesucht a personal butler, is a concierge. So, if somebody asks, welches Forum is doing this holes, fuhren ins jetzt zu der whole site zu sehen, wie sie gewähnt mit der letzte Gäste, was nach Hause gegangen, if everything is okay and intact.
Correct.
Und auch die Gäste machen ein Video von das Forum, was du, von der neue Gäste, als soll wissen, welches Forum man darf nicht schleppen von
New York.
New York. Geschmack zu sein, to do the daf, Geschmack zu sein, Ayid. Kick this soon, keine Haare. Still, rein, and shine, and sneeze dig, if I may say.
And not one drop of sneeze
Issue.
is on the street at all.
Beautiful.
And we're ready.
Beautiful.
And we're ready here at the house.
Beautiful. Oh my God. Oh, Shulam Aleichem, whatever the boys say. Aleichem lecha. They Platz had 10 beds. Okay? Nice, beautiful location over here for the Rebbe. Is ook deze eine van de plaatsen was Rebbe's renten. Laten we opmaken dat hier gaan we niet. Oké, Geschmack, du doet dit daar. Kijk eens zo. Hier zeg maar aan stil. Oké, 1, 2. Kitchen. Nice size kitchen. And look. Dining room table. couches, Lecht, rooms. Room number 1. Room number 2. Look at these the size of the beds, and of course there's showers and toilets in each, like this. And then bunk beds for a bunch of sfurim. A bunch of sfurim. 4 bunk beds. And we're going to the backyard. Last but not least, best part of the house, Ladati. How we're gonna open this door? How we're gonna open this door? Aloy! Psh. Auf Yiddish, welcome to paradise. Boys, ich feel ein bisschen schlecht für Menschen, die sitzen jetzt in New York. I really feel bad, but ich hab auch gefühlt bad bis 2 Tage zurück. Ich hab da flight, ich hab da mit Schachis im Boca Raton and Minche Marev in Kal Hasidim, North Miami Beach. It's doable, it's possible. Price-wise, time-wise, du hast da hot tub. In deze neue Bänklich und noch nicht der Stücklich. Jetzt ist der Pool kickt aus. Der Pool hat a safe gate für die Kinder, versteht sich. Das ist noch ein, sie ist dort in der Deck, wie man kann sitzen. Das ist noch eine von der Villas. Das ist eine von der größeren Villas. L'chaim L'vrucha, Moira Woisai, Shaya Weinberger Luxury Kosher Villas. Just give him a call. So this is a brand new house that just finished.
No, it's not a brand new house. It's a brand new renovated house.
Brand new renovated.
10 years, but I just renovated it.
And you're showing, this is brand new grass, I can feel it.
Yes, this is new sod. This is real grass.
Yeah.
And right over there where you're standing is artificial grass.
Nice. So we're going in now and you're giving a tour for the owner to show him the updated.
Show him the, hi, how are you? Here we go. And, you know, you've seen it already, but.
Wow.
The new patio furniture did not arrive yet. Obviously, this is going to be taken away as soon as the new furniture arrives. And this already arrived. These 2 chairs. These we're going to put in the back. We're going to put them in the front. I don't know yet what we're doing with this. I'm just showing you how the whole new recreated pool area. And not 100% ready, but soon we're going to go inside and show you what's going on inside.
The tile and the ground, you have pool furniture in the back.
Right.
I don't know where you're going to set it up.
The egg chairs?
The
black egg chairs?
Yeah, the black. And the another ones, the pool chair.
For now, we're going to set up the pool chairs on the
Do
side.
you see how that is?
Yes. And
So-
the egg chairs, I think we can put it, either we can put it here or we can put it there.
You want me to put all the way to this side
Yeah.
where the big grass is?
Yes.
That will be
For now. There's more furniture coming.
So much letztens gemacht as Sach renovations in the pose.
Thank you.
And Rabbi David is in charge for machen the cleaning part
Right.
and putting in the new furniture. So Shai is discussing with him the details.
That's right. So we have to make sure. I'm going to New York today. I want to make sure that I check everything before I leave. That's it. And here's one of our other houses right here on the corner. This property.
Auf derselbe Blacke du noch eins. Shai hat sich gekannt anhalten. Hat mir gesagt, ich muss rüber kommen. Du hast auch the learning area. Du hast the Florida Kosher Villas. Welcome. Geba kick. Couches. Inviting. Warm. Geschmack. Cool room. Not sure what that is. Du hast the kitchen. Nice kitchen. Dort hast the wash machine and dryer. Noch hat der milchige und der fleischige. Du hast der Einroom. Dort hast du der Bathroom. This is the cleansed room there. The cleansiness, du. The cleansiness. Okay, this is this. Come around, we can see the rooms do. Haben uns Ein room. Noch 4 bunk beds. So, ich meine, do it all on 10 beds. And that's the master. Shh, relaxing, nice. Okay, and I'm gonna give my guy to the pool. Maybe we can still make it before 1.5 minutes on Jean maybe I status. Sorry. The breath of fresh air was ich bakim and ich wach raus in sehe das. Wie rein der Pool ist. Okay, jetzt, last but not least, gleich bei der Ende von der Gas ist der Kanal. Und du ist der famous Adina Villa. Das ist die Villa, was ich stehe an. This is probably the cleanste and the billigste was I do, but I love it. Ja, aber ich kann close to the front, ja, I do. Also Geschmack, Privacy. It's all about privacy. Ich meine, auf Hochzeit ist nicht genug. Sie nutzen alle Amenities, was du. Shalom Aleichem. Welcome to Florida Kosher Villas. Du gehst mir rein ein Room. Ein cute, cozy room, shiny room. This is a high chair. Das ist eine von den hinderte Sachen, Items, was je darf, wenn kommt, und kann vergessen oder trachten, für wie geht oben, was zugestellt. Das ist der Dining Room. Du arbeitest ich. Der Noise, was die heißt, ist von der Waschmaschine. Ah, sie gewohnt Tinkel. Okay, das ist für die View. Das ist ein View, was ich kann arbeiten. Du hast der Water Day in Florida Kosher Villas. Ja, das ist der Kitchen. Der Kitchen ist fully equipped mit milchige und fleischige Dishes. Es hat eine milchige und fleischige Saat. Und Sachen für Shabbos. Ich kenne nicht, wie ich schon vor dem Kirab im Admoid. Du hast da full fridge, freezer and wash machine and dryer. And this is a cute setup. And jetzt gehen wir an die Rooms. So in some room number 1. Du Mazoi. Shine and clean. Jetzt gehen wir raus zu der Pool von du. A second. We'll hopefully this guy's on under 3 minutes. Just a nice setup. Und du hast, ich hoffe, die Tiere ist offen. Ja, it is. Okay, du hast der Pool, Geschmack und Lechtig. 5 a.m. kommt es cleanen. It's beautiful, clean, die kennen sehen allein. Du hast den Hot Tub, die Geschmacke. Du hast den Swing. Und ich habe ein bisschen aufgemessen der Bänklich. Ich habe ein bisschen Meuchel. Du a fireplace, was operate beautifully. And by the way, the pool is brand new. That's to you. And du gehst mit noch ein Setup. Weil man will essen, I guess. Und du hast der zweite Room von der anderen Seite. I'm gonna make it in 3 minutes. Noch ein Room. And du red. This is Rebelli's Water Day. This is in 2 happens to be. This is eine von den Closets. And noch ein Bathroom. Noch ein Shower. Hello over there. And du gehst mit zurück. Outside. L'chaim v'levrucha. Thank you so much for being Luxury Kosher Villas. Lass uns sehen, wie alt jetzt. So bottom line, I'm going to like a list do. Okay? Wash machine and dryer, check. Kashrus, check. Tznius, check. Privacy, 7 checks. Ruhigkeit, 22 checks. Menunim, relaxing, groceries, Shabbos items, anything that you could think of. Kitchen items, anything you could think of. Hot tub, check. Zair warm. Pool, heated, check. Ich weiß nicht von was, but mit a heated pool, extra bonus. Best service in the United States. Guaranteed, Shaya Weinberger, the Tzadik. Bemis, allemal mit Savlunas, a viele noch der 200th question. Restaurants, so steht sich jeder weiß. Le Masse, der einzigste Platz, Chitze North Miami Beach, was kein sein, so du als 80 gestellt war Frimme Jid, maybe nicht zu Sirul. Ich weiß nicht, dass du a Platz, was hat auch der Kashrus und auch als a Privacy in selber Zeit. North Miami Beach, Shaya Weinberger, Luxury Kosher Villas, L'chaim.